Guys, so today I will help you with A1 exam Schreiben. Yes guys, so today we will do the writing section of A1 exam. So how to clear your A1 exam? Before that, let's see what are the parts, which question you have to attempt, what is the duration, marking scheme and everything. So I'm going to share everything in this video. So let's start. So first of all, there will be two parts. You can say two tiles, tile lines. Tile lines will be you have to fill the form. As you fill a form, any kind of registration form, that kind of a form you have to fill. I will explain this further. Tile 2 is email writing. So you have to write an email of approx 30 words. So these are the two questions you will get in your A1 exam. So participant, it will be definitely individually you. There may be many other students, but it is individually. Duration will be 20 minutes. You will not get more than 20 minutes. So take care of this. Total marks 25 and target also should be 25. So guys, this is very easy to get 25 out of 25 marks. Yes guys, you can score full marks. So important note is no vocabulary book, no mobile phones are allowed. So kindly pay attention here. Neither vocabulary book nor mobile phones are allowed. So don't think that you will get any kind of access. So you have to do it yourself because this is your exam. Okay, so let's discuss the marks distribution. Tile 1 will be of 5 marks and tile 2 will be of 10 marks. So total is 25. Now you must be thinking that this is of 5 marks and tile 2 is of 10 marks. And how 25? Let's check this in detail. Tile lines. So this is the question. You can see here. Let me show you. This is the question, guys. This is a whole paragraph. You have to read those paragraph and then you have to fill this registration form. This is a registration form, right? So you have to fill this registration form. You have to mention the name, you have to mention the course, niveau, telephone number, Zahlungsweise. So you have to read those passages, then you have to fill those form. Right, guys? So let's start with the grading and marks distribution. So as you have noticed, there were 5 blanks. So questions are 5. Each is a 1.66 marks. Yes, guys. Each question is 1.66. So total marks of tile 1 is 8.3. Correct? So you can see here, how will you get the marks now? These are the 5 questions you can see here. For example, you have scored, you got fifth, you got question number 1, you got question number 2, but not the third one, fourth, fifth. For example, you fulfilled your 4 answer. So what will be your total marks? Here you will mention it will be 4. Then 4 you will multiply by 1.66, then mention your answer. Clear, guys? So it is totally depend on what are the score, how many questions you are able to attempt, and so on. So kindly, whenever you will do these kind of questions, just pay your attention over there because you can score 5 out of 5. It is very easy. So if you get the correct answer, you will get it 1. If it is not, then definitely 0. So tile 1 is very easy. Let's move further. So you have to fill the form. Formular ausfüllen. Let's see. Before that, it is very important that you should know some important vocabulary. If you know these vocabulary, then tile 1 is very easy, guys. So let's start. German and English. Vorname, first name. Familienname, last name oder Familienname. Muttersprache, mother language, or you can say mother tongue. Wohnort, Residence, Geburtsdatum, birth date, Zahlungsweise, payment type, Unterschrift, signature, Postleitzahl, postal code, Straße, which means street, and house number is house number. Okay, so let's start with the tie lines. Okay guys, so let's start with this registration form. As I told you that this is very important to read this passage first of all, and then you have to fill this registration form. So first of all, just read this passage and then fill this registration form. You should read it very carefully. After that, you are able to answer the following. So let's read the passage. Here you can see. Ihre Freundin Anna möchte einen Deutschkurs in Stuttgart machen. So your friend Anna would like to do a German course in Stuttgart. Sie hat schon A1 Niveau Kenntnisse. So she has already A1 level knowledge. Jetzt möchte sie mit A2 beginnen. So now she would like to start with A2 level. Leider haben sie nur am Wochenende Zeit. Unfortunately, she have only time on a weekend. Sie arbeitet von Montag bis Freitag. She works from Monday till Friday. Sie kann nur mit Kreditkarte bezahlen. Okay, so there is some misprint here. Credit card spelling is not correct. So she can only pay with credit card. Ihre Telefonnummer is, her telephone number is given. Ihre email address is this. So email address is also given. So let's start. Okay, guys. Now can you tell me that what is the name? Can you just do this form now? Name. Second blank is course, for which course she is registering. English or the Deutsch. Niveau, for which level, A1 or A2. Fourth blank is telephone number. And fifth blank is Zahlungsweise. Payment type. Is it credit card or is it bar? Bar means cash. So fill this and let's discuss the answers. You can pause the video, take your time, and then let's discuss the answers. Okay, guys. So here are the answers. Name is Anna. Course is Deutsch. Niveau is A2. Telephone number is this one. And payment is credit card. Right, guys? So any doubt? I hope there is no any doubt or query in this because tile 1 is very easy. You should know the vocabulary and you could score 5 out of 5. So that's all, guys. This was Schreiben Teil 1. In the next video, I will share Teil 2 of Schreiben A1. If you like my video, then guys, please like, subscribe and share. Bis dann and cheers. See you and bye.